This is Joe from TRZ TEAMLINE, and today I'm going to walk you through installing the drivers for the Adaptec AVC 1200 video encoder card. Once you received your card, you should be at a page like this. First, click on the link for the Adaptec AVC 1200 driver. This will start a driver download. Save the zip file to your desktop, and then unzip that file and drag it to your desktop. Once you have unzipped the file, then plug in your encoder card and a USB port on your computer. Make sure you make note of which port you've plugged it into, because if you plug it into another USB port next time, you will have to install the drivers again. Once you have plugged in the USB, you will see a new hardware balloon in the bottom right hand corner. A new hardware wizard will pop up. Click No, Not at this time, then Next. Then make sure Install Software Automatically is selected, and then click Next. Installation will now begin. A security dialog box will pop up. Click Continue anyway. Installation will continue. Once you've completed the hardware wizard box, you will see one like this, and you are ready to continue on to the next step. If you need more help, call us at 1-800-846-4630 or email us at staff@trz.cc.